In a stunning display, the bird fans its feathers into a perfect disc, bobbing rhythmically in hopes of securing a mate. The male paradise tanager approaches the nest, bringing a crucial insect offering to the nesting female deep within. In a rare display, both males are present at the nest. This vibrant green male delivers a crucial berry to the demanding chick.
The male blue and yellow macaw secures a dark beetle, vital protein for the chicks waiting in the nest.
Landing gracefully, the female superb bird of paradise takes a moment to inspect the integrity of the woven structure.
A rare glimpse of the male kingfisher tending to the nest, gently touching the speckled egg while the female watches closely.
The vibrant quetzal, with its striking green and blue plumage, guards its clutch.
A vital task for the male is removing the fecal sac. This keeps the nest hygienic and lessens the risk of predators discovering the vulnerable chick.
Deep in the rainforest, the great argus searches for food, a vital part of the ecosystem.
The young bird of paradise is a medium-sized bird known for its extraordinary and elaborate plumage.
The male, with his striking green and yellow crest, watches over his nest and the two attending females.
The young bird of paradise is a medium-sized bird, known for its extraordinary and elaborate plumage.
A stunning flash of azure blue, the male plum-throated cotinga navigates the dense canopy with remarkable grace. A bird of paradise is a medium-sized bird, known for its extraordinary and elaborate plumage. High in the New Guinea canopy, the male superb bird of paradise presents a stunning contrast of blue and red against the vibrant heliconia.